Imagine a company that was founded before the light bulb was even common. A company that wasn't just surviving, but reinvented itself again and again for nearly a century and a half. A company that turned medicine into massive global profit while saving millions of lives. A company that in 2025 is dominating the most lucrative health markets on Earth: diabetes, obesity, cancer, and more. Today on How Companies Make Money, we're revealing how Eli Lilly and Company became a pharmaceutical powerhouse worth nearly $1 trillion, the business secrets few people know, and what you can learn from its strategy to build your own billion-dollar idea. If you want more stories like this, hit subscribe and turn on notifications because you don't want to miss what's coming next. Eli Lilly and Company was founded in 1876 in Indianapolis, Indiana, by Colonel Eli Lilly, a former Civil War veteran and a trained chemist. From the beginning, Lilly's vision was more than making medicine. It was about scientific excellence, consistency, and trust. In 1952, the company went public, opening itself up to investors and major capital for expansion. For decades, Lilly built a reputation by developing breakthrough medications like Cialis, a major erectile dysfunction treatment; Prozac, one of the world's most prescribed antidepressants; Zyprexa, a top antipsychotic medicine. But the real transformation began in the 2020s, when Lilly became one of the most exciting growth stories in healthcare anywhere in the world. The diabetes and obesity breakthrough. The biggest revenue engine for Lilly in 2025 is its incretin portfolio, a class of drugs that treat type 2 diabetes and obesity more effectively than nearly anything before. The two stars are Mounjaro, a diabetes and obesity treatment that redefined the market; Zepbound, a companion obesity therapy that exploded in demand. Their success isn't just hype. In recent quarters, Lilly reported sharp revenue increases in the billions from these products alone. In fact, global sales of these drugs grew so fast that Lilly revised its annual targets upward, and its overall revenue for 2025 is projected in the $60 to $62 billion range. Here's the clever business move. These drugs target ongoing conditions, not one-off treatments. When a patient starts treatment, they tend to stay on it for years. That means predictable recurring revenue, a goldmine for pharma companies. Plus, with global expansion into markets like Europe, Asia, and Latin America, Lilly has multiplied demand far beyond the US alone, making markets with skyrocketing prescription growth. In 2026, Lilly announced a $1 billion joint research lab with NVIDIA focused on using AI to discover new drugs faster than ever before. This isn't just future talk. AI is already starting to rewrite the rulebook in drug discovery. Lilly is positioning itself at the cutting edge, meaning new revenue streams could be decades in advance of competitors. Let's get into the cold hard numbers and the way Lilly's money engine works behind the scenes. In the first quarter of 2025 alone, the company reported revenue of around $12.73 billion, a roughly 45% increase compared with the previous year. That dramatic growth was driven by explosive sales of their key drugs, Mounjaro, Zepbound, and more. Meanwhile, guidance for full-year revenue is in the $58 to $62 billion range, making Lilly one of the fastest-growing big pharmaceutical companies on the planet. Net income and earnings per share have also climbed substantially, showing profitability that far outpaces many peers in healthcare. That means Lilly isn't just selling more products, it's making more money per dollar of sales than most big pharma. Lilly's footprint now spans more than 100 countries. Its drugs are approved in major markets across North America, Europe, Asia, and beyond. To meet global demand, Lilly has been building massive manufacturing facilities, including a multi-billion-dollar plant in Houston, Texas, expected to create thousands of jobs. These aren't small plants, they're strategic assets that allow Lilly to produce high-demand drugs at global scale. In addition, Lilly continues acquiring specialty biotech companies, like Ventyx Biosciences, to gain access to promising drug candidates in autoimmune and inflammatory diseases. What happens after GLP-1 drugs dominate the market? Lilly is already placing big bets on the future. Oral versions of weight loss therapies, AI-powered drug discovery engines, new oncology and cardiometabolic drugs. CRISPR gene editing partnerships, global direct-to-consumer platforms. This isn't just incremental growth, this is transformational. By redirecting revenue from current blockbusters into innovation, Lilly could be billions ahead in diseases that have never had effective treatments. So what can you learn from Eli Lilly? Focus on solving big problems. Diabetes and obesity weren't going anywhere, and Lilly delivered solutions. Invest in innovation before it's obvious. AI labs and cutting-edge research keep them ahead. Think global first. Markets beyond your backyard can double or triple demand. Build predictable revenue streams. Recurring prescriptions beat one-time sales every time. If you want more deep dives into how real companies make money, how billionaires think, and how you can apply it to your own business idea, subscribe now and hit that bell.